Welcome to today's company profile and review on GoldenCrest Metals, based out of Calabasas, California. GoldenCrest Metals has gained recognition as a reputable gold investment company focusing on providing investors with access to physical gold and gold-backed individual retirement accounts, IRAs. Amid economic uncertainties and inflation concerns, physical gold and precious metals, IRAs have become popular for those seeking to diversify their portfolios with assets less prone to market volatility. GoldenCrest Metals offers tailored solutions to investors, allowing them to securely own gold or add it to their retirement funds. Today's report delves into GoldenCrest Metals' offerings, the benefits of gold investments, and whether GoldenCrest is a suitable choice for your investment goals. What is GoldenCrest Metals? GoldenCrest Metals was established to help investors safeguard their wealth through precious metals investments. Offering a range of gold products and services, including physical gold purchases and gold IRAs, the company appeals to those seeking stability and a hedge against traditional market risks. With services tailored for both new and experienced investors, GoldenCrest Metals makes it easy to buy gold outright or incorporate it into a retirement account, combining the benefits of tangible assets with retirement tax advantages. GoldenCrest Metals provides two primary investment options. 1. Purchasing physical gold, and 2. Establishing a gold IRA. For those interested in physical gold, both with a minimum investment of only $10,000, investors can buy gold bars, coins, and other precious metals through a straightforward process. For retirement-focused investors, GoldenCrest offers gold IRAs, allowing users to set up tax-advantaged accounts that hold physical gold. The company also assists with account setup and transfers, offering a seamless process that aims to simplify gold ownership and ensure a secure investment experience. GoldenCrest Metals' Gold IRA Setup Process. GoldenCrest Metals has streamlined the Gold IRA setup process to make it easy for both new and experienced investors. Here's a step-by-step overview. Account setup. GoldenCrest works with trusted custodians to help clients set up a self-directed IRA, which allows for alternative assets like gold, rollover, or transfer. Investors can transfer funds from an existing IRA or 401k into their new gold IRA, taking advantage of rollover options with minimal tax impact. Purchase and storage. After funding the account, investors choose the type and amount of gold they wish to purchase. GoldenCrest then arranges for secure storage through approved depositories. This process ensures that clients receive personalized assistance while complying with IRS regulations, making the transition to a gold IRA straightforward and efficient. Fees and minimums. GoldenCrest Metals charges fees for account setup, storage, and maintenance, which are standard in the gold investment industry. The setup fee covers the administrative costs of opening a gold IRA, while storage fees ensure the secure storage of physical gold in IRS-approved depositories. With qualifying purchase, GoldenCrest will waive all shipping and storage fees. Contact GoldenCrest to learn more at goldencrest.info. Minimum investment is tens of dollars for both IRAs and physical metals. GoldenCrest offers competitive rates in comparison to other companies, though potential investors should consider these fees when evaluating overall returns. Transparent fee structures help GoldenCrest stand out, as investors can better anticipate costs and avoid unexpected charges. Storage and security options for investors. GoldenCrest Metals provides secure storage options for clients who choose to store their physical gold in depositories. These options typically include segregated storage, where clients' gold is kept separate from others, and non-segregated or commingled storage, where assets are stored together but fully accounted for. GoldenCrest storage facilities use state-of-the-art security systems to ensure that clients' assets are protected. This emphasis on security and compliance ensures peace of mind for investors who prefer that their assets remain secure within a professional depository. Customer support and educational resources. GoldenCrest Metals offers comprehensive customer support to assist investors with their questions and needs. Their team of knowledgeable representatives helps guide clients through the process, from choosing products to setting up a gold IRA. Additionally, GoldenCrest provides educational resources, including articles and guides on precious metals investing, to help investors make informed decisions. This support is particularly valuable for new investors who may need guidance as they venture into precious metals investments. Here are some benefits of working with GoldenCrest Metals. 1. Tax advantages. Gold IRAs offer tax-deferred or tax-free growth. 2. Portfolio stability. Physical gold provides a hedge against economic instability. 3. Reputable storage. Secure storage options ensure asset protection. 4. Educational support. Resources help new investors understand the market. Customer reviews and reputation. GoldenCrest Metals has generally positive reviews, with customers often highlighting the professionalism of its support staff and the transparency of the company's processes. The company has built a solid reputation for reliability and compliance with regulatory standards, making it a popular choice among investors seeking a trustworthy provider for their gold investments. GoldenCrest Metals offers an attractive option for individuals interested in investing in physical gold or setting up a gold IRA. With its emphasis on security, customer support, and transparent fees, GoldenCrest Metals makes it easy for investors to safeguard their wealth through precious metals. For those looking to diversify their portfolio with a stable asset that holds long-term value, GoldenCrest Metals could be a valuable addition to an investment strategy. Get an information kit right now at goldencrest.info. Don't wait. Get it right now at goldencrest.info. Thanks so much for watching, and good luck in your financial endeavors.
Learn how to protect yourself with precious metals now. Request your free info kit now from GoldenCrest Metals. Just click below the video in the description or the button to request your free kit now. Don't wait. Do it now.